This next HSR operation in Exercise 2 iMachining of a bracket will perform the rough cutting of the 4 large chamfers on the ribs of the part. In the CAM Manager, double-click on HSR R Rough Chamfer to open the HSR Contour Roughing Operation dialog. In the Geometry branch, click the Show button. We can see that the target model is defined for our machining geometry. Exit the Show Geometry dialog by clicking Cancel. For this operation, we will again be using our 1/2-inch diameter end mill, as you can see in the Tool branch. In the Constraint Boundaries branch, and by clicking Show, we can see that 2 boundaries are picked off the edges that make up the chamfers. Exit the Show Geometry dialog. In addition, the tool relation is set as centered, as we can see here. In the Passes branch, we'll see that a 50 thou step down is used and the surfaces will have a 5 thou allowance. Let's click Simulate to take a look at our toolpath at work. First, using the HostCAD mode, slow the simulation speed down and press play. We see the tool approaches the first chamfer by helix ramping and tapers with each step down to remove the necessary material. It then rapids over to the second chamfer and performs a similar toolpath. Now, let's exit the simulation and operation dialogues and look at the next 2 operations performed in this exercise.